In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your JBL Tune Flex to iPhone or iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your JBL Tune Flex and connecting it to an iPhone or iPad is extremely simple because these pairs of headphones or AirPods have Bluetooth capabilities. So all that you have to do is first make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. So go over to the settings on your iPhone or iPad, go over to the Bluetooth capabilities and double check to see if it is toggled on. If it is toggled on, you will be able to find them under the list of compatible devices. To put them into pairing mode, put your JBL Tune Flex pods back into their case, and now once both of the earbuds are inside of the case, just close and open the lid. This will activate them. Don't take them out just yet. You will see the LED flash indicating that they are ready to pair. Now go back into your iPhone or iPad, and if you look under the list of compatible devices, you should be able to find them. Make sure that the lid or the case is in close proximity with your device, and as long as you put them inside, you close the lid and you open it back again, they will be ready to pair, and you will be able to choose from the list. As soon as you choose the JBL Tune Flex from the list, you will be able to listen to all of the audio coming out of your iPhone or iPad, and they are all going to go through the JBL Tune Flex earbuds. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, depending on the device, but as soon as you pair it once, the next time that you take them out of the case, they should automatically pair up with your iPhone or iPad, so you don't need to manually set this up every time. Just make sure that the Bluetooth stays enabled, and once you take them out of the case in close proximity with your phone, they will pair up instantly, and you will be good to go to listen to all of the audio coming out of your device. So all that you have to do to connect your JBL Tune Flex to your iPhone or iPad is enable Bluetooth, put them back inside of the lid or the case, and when you open the lid, they will activate and be in pairing mode, ready to be used with any Bluetooth-enabled device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Tune Flex to iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.